I don't know. Do you have to go back to Ernest?
No, I'm not getting in the car.
Stand at something to eat before you start back. I feel a lot better.
Move. Go away. Let me see you.